All right, greetings everyone. Welcome back to study. So we have a question there. This question is an extract from the just concluded WAEC 2024. You see, that's OBJ number 19. So we should find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 over 3 and -1. Roots simply means answer. So we see we had a quadratic equation and the quadratic equation has already been solved. So the answer that was gotten from the solving of that quadratic equation is 2 over 3 and -1. So they're just asking us to go back, this kind of a reverse, bring back that quadratic equation. So these are the options. So let's solve that and tick the correct option. So if you can recall, anytime you solve a quadratic equation, you're going to find the value of x, right? So we're just saying that when the equation was solved, we had s is equal to 2 over 3 or x is equal to -1, because see we always have two answers, right? So all we need to do is just to move these terms to the other side. So we have all the terms on one side equal to 0. So we just have to cross multiply in this case. So we have that 3x is equal to 2. Then we now move this positive 2 to the other side. So we now have 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So let's do the same here. This one will be x. If you move negative, I have s plus 1 equal to 0. So you just want to get everything to be equal to 0. Now when we have done this, we now need to multiply what we have here and what we have here, and that will be the quadratic equation. Very simple. So our quadratic equation will be 3x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. So that will give us the answer. So remember how to do this. If you have two brackets, this 3x will multiply the first term and also multiply the second term. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 3x times x, that's 3x squared. 3x times 1 is positive 3x. Now we'll do the same thing with -2. -2 multiply the first term, multiply the second term. So you have -2 times x is -2x. -2 times positive 1. See, minus plus, there is minus. So we have -2. Let's call it like terms, or rather let's just simplify since we already have like terms together. So this will be 3x squared plus 3x minus 2x is minus, or rather plus x, because 3 is bigger than 2, so that will give us plus x minus 2. So that's the quadratic equation. See, the correct option will be A, right? Yeah, 3x squared plus x minus 2, and that's equal to 0 anyway. So that's the answer to this solution. So you see, thank you for joining in, and the main purpose for this channel is to, as the name implies, maths in simplicity. We just try to break down mathematics to as much as we can, to carry everyone along. So this channel, the main target for this channel is to students that are having difficulty in mathematics, because I myself also had my difficulties in mathematics until I came to YouTube as well, found other channels that were doing a good job, and then I started learning, and then I became a little bit proficient. And that's also the same zeal that I'm putting into this channel to also learn my voice and help others also who are finding it difficult, to carry them along their struggles and bring them to a point of stability. So if you found this video helpful, I would like for you to also subscribe, like, share with your friends, and do have a great day. God bless you.